Hi, welcome to Curiosity TV. Today I'll be showing you top apps you can go and download for yourself, or and start making some changes for yourself. The number one app is named what? The number one app is not just an app, it's an online platform. It's an online platform. Most of you that love playing games, without what? Without hearing any, just consuming it. Okay, let me quickly play this game. You can go to this platform and play game, then earn money. Go to www.pogo.com. www.pogo.com. You can see this is an online platform where you can go and play games, then start earning money for you. Can play free online games. Earn up to 2 new badges when you help Felix collects snowflakes in the limited time. Free online games at your finger. You can just go there and play any of these games. And start earning money. Then first of all, you can register. Then you input all your information. Then after that, you can go back and start playing game for yourself and start making money with this platform. The number 2 app is named what? Big Time Cash. Big Time app. This Big Time app is more like an app that's available on Google Play Store, which you can download and start making some changes for yourself. Once you can go to Google, then search for Big Time Cash. Then you can click on the first link that pop up. Once you click on the first link, you will be taken to Google Play Store, where you'll be able to download the app. You can see this is a good app you can download and start making money from Big Time Cash. Let me scroll down. You can see, let me show you most of the reward. I can say that this app is really fantastic, but I am just a beginner for now. I will complete the 5 rates whenever I'm up to get into and see. I love the games on this app, but I can't even enjoy it because the app is too much. We know you are trying to make life easier, but it's a nice app. Just starting, and I'm not putting my all into playing games because there is unlimited offer which can boost your earnings. Can see this is a real-time app. People are commenting. Most people comments are real. Most of them are even. You can see this is from Africa. Oscar Obiajulu, Africa. Peter the Boss. You can see all its reviews shows that this app is true. You can go to Google Play Store, then you download the app for yourself. Then if you are using iOS, you can also go to your app store, then download the app. That's just it for the day. Kindly hit the notification bell and subscribe button so you'll be the first to be notified anytime I drop awesome video just like this. Thanks.